Okay, in this lesson, I want to give you an idea with a flappy game and learn more things about this software with this example we created. Okay, this is flappy game. As you can see, if you start, if you click, tap to flap, and you can earn these coins. And if you hit this wall, you will die. With this platform, I want to give an example, simple example. First, I delete all of the coins and so in the scene. I want to doing something like this. As you can see, I prepared this graphics for this game, and I want to insert three color in the blue, red, and green wall, and three color for character. If this character first, for example, has a blue color, and it has to be going through that blue wall, and if it the other color wall, it will be die. And after that, past that wall, a score and or level will be appear here. First, I have to insert these three walls as action. I explain what. Insert them as an action because I want to hit them and earn something. For example, I bring the wall here in the first step and change their dimensions like this in level 1. Okay, and we add some score. Going to the Word UI, no. Yes, Word UI. The label, score or level, you can add it here. Score, all the word, distance, no coins. Or if you want to give a level, give them the level. Okay, we set it on the level, and it means points. I explained them before. I want to set it current. Okay, stick to the edge for changing the dimension of the mobile. That's correct. And going to the word. I want to this character at the first step, going to the character, and you can change the default animation to, for example, green. Okay, insert the green to both of the move animation and the default animation. So character change to the green, and flap we have to through that green and then change the color to red. Why I insert them as an action? Because if you go in here an action, you can set them as a coin. Okay, you can set them as a coin, and if we eat them, we have an animation. You can add an animation, and the interesting thing is animation placement. Okay, this is an animation placement. If I go through this, for example, green ball, I want to change the animation. If I eat them, so I insert them as an action because of the action animation that place on a character. You can place on the action, place on the full screen, place on a character. And after that, if I, for example, selected this green ball as a coin, select them, all of them as a coin, and we have to make the animation behavior replace. I want to replace the color of this character on character, and no coin. I want to reward a point because if I pass this wall, it means I pass the level 1. Make it character replace, no, just set it to 0, just 0.1, and the green one replace. I want to, if I hit this wall, a replace animation will be appear here. 0 and 1, and which in a green, which animation replace. For example, I want to change the color of this character because it is on a character, and replace it to the green, for red, for example. And I insert a red animation here, and if it's that, you can test it. Okay. As you can see, it's changed to green. And then you can change the wall, another wall. You can Control C and then Control V here. And it's turned to green. And if I hit the green, going to the green, if I hit the green, 1 point will be appear here and change the animation to blue. And I insert the blue action animation here. Okay, nice. And I want to insert an object as a platform or anything here. It's not important. For example, this. Insert it from here and make them all enemy. It means if I hit this wall, I will die. Make the opacity to 0 and change it to the enemy. Control C and Control V. Oops. Oh, cancel. Sorry. You can insert this wall as an enemy, and that's it. This is an idea. And if I bring here, change to red. Oh, I change to it's back change to the default color. Why is that? Because if you go into this green, and interesting thing here is your duration. You have to make it a big number. It's not important, but bigger than 1 second duration. And if in the first stage I'm green and I hit this green action and change the animation action to the another character color that is in a character and replace, duration is high number, and I have to hit the green red. If I hit the red, the duration is a high number, and then it's turned to the blue. And then after that, you can continue and continue. You got the idea with the action animation, and it is interesting. I have to hit green, turn to blue. Duration is nice. Then it's that, and if I hit the wrong color, I will die, and the level will appear here. Okay, you got the idea, and you can do interesting thing with the action animation. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.